you have ever thought about doing your own taxes? Now, I'm sure some of you are probably thinking, oh, I could never do that. I don't know what I'm doing, and I don't want to mess them up. And others, you're starting to feel a little anxious, a little intimidated. And you know what? I get it. I felt the exact same way when I started doing taxes over 30 years ago. Except back then, I only had an instruction booklet, some paper, and a pencil. So what I had to do was I had to make 2 copies. The first copy, I do that one in pencil, you gotta get the numbers right. And then the second one, I would transfer everything over, put it in pen, and then that's the one that I would mail to the IRS. Now, over the years, I learned that a lot of people really don't have a lot of basic tax information. Like, they don't understand the difference between a W-2 and a W-4. They don't understand that what's on the W-4 affects the W-2, and what's on the W-2 can ultimately decide whether or not you end up owing or whether you get a refund. And if you're one of those people, I got you. My team and I, we have developed the ultimate tax course for beginners. It's called Doing Taxes Like a Pro. So what we want to do is we want to take you from answering questions and just putting in information to actually understanding what you're doing and be able to do a complete return from start to finish. Now, I'm not talking about anything complicated like a corporate return. I'm talking about a basic tax return. So you're probably asking, well, why are you doing this? Well, a couple of reasons. For one, you know what? I really enjoy helping people, and I want to help you gain some confidence. I want to show you that you can do this, and I'm going to be there to help you do it. Second reason is I really feel like doing taxes is kind of like a life course. Like, we really should have learned how to do basic taxes in school. And then the third reason is like, now that you have a new skill, we're going to be able to provide you or to give you like a new career. So, what's next? Well, what I want you to do is click the button. I'm not sure it's going to be. Click the button. What we're going to do is we're going to invite you to a free webinar where we're going to give you more information about the class and teach you how to do taxes like a pro. So go ahead, click the button, join the webinar because classes are starting soon and we don't want you to miss anything. I look forward to teaching you how to do taxes like a pro.